Welcome, in front of me is an LG Q60, and today I will show you how to perform my hard reset of the device through settings. So to get started, you want to open up Settings app, and now let's go into the General category right here. Scroll down to Reset, or Restart and Reset, and at the bottom you have Factory Data Reset, so tap on that. It will give you a message that performing this will remove all of this stuff. So briefly said, it removes literally everything that you have put on the device yourself, along with your Google account. And also the Google account, if you do the reset through settings like we are right now, it will not lock the device later on that you need to verify your account during the setup. So number one, if there is something that you would like to keep on the device, like music, pictures, stuff like that, you might want to back it up before you begin, otherwise you will lose it in the process. But if you have already done that, or you don't want to back it up, tap on Reset Phone, delete all, and restart, and the process will begin. Now this will take roughly a couple of minutes, and once it's finished, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is actually visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.